Welcome to the still path. Take a slow breath and let this moment be a quiet, peaceful place for your mind, your heart, and your spirit to rest. Take another slow breath in and gently let it go. Today, we rest in a short but powerful promise from Psalm 23, a reminder of God's steady care when our hearts feel tired or overwhelmed. He restores my soul. He guides me along the right paths for His name's sake. Let these words settle softly within you. Maybe your mind has been busy lately. Maybe you've been carrying something heavy. Or maybe you've simply been trying to find your way. In this quiet moment, God meets you right where you are. Not with pressure, not with demands, but with restoration. He restores your soul, your energy, your peace, your sense of direction. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to figure everything out. You don't have to be strong on your own. God gently guides you, step by step, along the right path, a path shaped by His love, His goodness, and His care for you. Take one more slow breath and allow your heart to rest in this truth. You are not walking alone. You are being guided. You are being restored. You are being held. May your soul find rest today in the One who leads you with peace. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. Walk gently on the still path.